All right, it is like almost 60 degrees out. First really sunny, warm day of 2021. So, bike is all kinds of ready after all the maintenance we did during the wintertime.
Oil and oil filter, chain,
Fresh coolant.
and a new set of tires.
Let's go.
Another beautiful day in Washington.
I made it here no problem. Traffic is backed up. Not for motorcycle park only though. Just me. Alright, off to the waterfall. Jackson, I'm making a new video. Alright, let's go take a peek. As we can see, there are a lot of people here. So let's skedaddle and get some donuts. Well, we got the Porsche clique over here. Oh, we made it. Nothing like donuts for a destination. Let's get some. That's it. Back home, had a great day riding. Can't wait for another.